Social Security and spousal benefit question. I had a woman reach out to me the other day and said her husband is planning to retire at 62, which means he's going to take less, like 30% less of his Social Security benefit amount. And she said, well, how does that impact me? Well, the good news is you will not take 50% of his reduced amount if you wait until your full retirement age. So at your full retirement age, you can apply for 50% of his full retirement age benefit, even if he claims it's 62. I know they don't make any of this easy. And women in this case, because I focus on women in my Her Retirement platform, really need to make sure that they understand all the various filing strategies in order to maximize their benefit. This is why I educate women about Social Security and why I have so many resources to help women know more, have more, and live more now and in retirement. So if you have Social Security questions, reach out to me, look on my website for all my resources, and you can check out my Social Security Kit and e-class at hersocialsecurity.com. Let's get her done.